In today's video, I'll teach you how to watch anime in BiliBili app. First of all, launch open BiliBili application. You can see over here BiliBili application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. At top, you'll be able to find the options like following, for you, anime, post, plaza, etc. So if you want to watch the anime, tap on this option anime that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see all the animes over here. If you do not see the anime that you want to watch over here, you can also search for it. For that, tap on the search bar. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to search for the anime. Right now I'm just going to pick from the list, so simply tap on the anime that you would like to watch. Now wait for a while. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to watch the anime. You'll also be able to select the episodes according to your choice. So like this, you'll be able to watch anime in BiliBili. So that is how you watch anime in BiliBili. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.